A lot of us lose steam around 3 p.m. The time to block fatigue is before it blocks you. Before the back and forth. Before the endless meetings. Before the commute. Before you're on your way. Before you start your day. First thing in the morning. Introducing Nutrıway Vitamin B, a bilayer tablet packed with natural spirulina and 8 essential B vitamins used by the body to help fight fatigue. One dual-action tablet releases 2 B vitamins instantly, then 6 more, slowly and steadily, contributing to normal energy-yielding metabolism for a full 8 hours. So you could be at your best to the end of each day. Block fatigue before it blocks you.